Welcome back, my Keto Rebels. Today I'm doing a Griddle Nation inspiration. I am featuring Julie West, who made these delicious pork belly tacos. I wanted to recreate these and do my own little version with a little spin. Introducing everyone, my pork belly tacos. Let me show you how. Hey guys, I have my Meteor Series meat cleaver made by Spaceman Knives. She is a beaut. I'm debuting her today. I have a pound of pork belly here. Let's go ahead and chop her up. Loving this beautiful knife. She sure cuts like butter. Look at her go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dice this pork belly. Take your piece, cut it down, and then chop it up. Little pieces is what we want, just like that. All right guys, we are chopped and diced. Let's throw it down. I have a low heat right now. Let's use the essential blend and let's season her on up. While the pork belly is over there cooking, let's make an avocado lime crema. Throw in some cilantro. We are gonna take one avocado, lime juice, also add in some sour cream. I'm a daisy girl. You're supposed to add milk to this, but I'm adding a little water because I don't really have milk, so water it is. There we go. Let's level this up and add a little bit more of the essential blend to our crema. All right, so next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some chorizo and I'm going to throw it down over here. We've moved our pork belly into the middle. That way the pork belly is over here and it's not cooking. So let's heat up our chorizo over here. Dice up some onion. I know I have chorizo on my knife. Don't come for me. Let's heat this up. Stir it a few times. Get aggressive with it.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
So where did you come up with all these wonderful recipes?
Well, let me tell you, this is a Griddle Nation inspiration. Julie West, right here, she gave me the inspiration to make this recipe. It's gonna be fire. I can't wait to try it. Let's mix in our chorizo with our pork belly. Let's add a little pineapple sriracha. Some heat to this. So in this recipe, Julie used crushed pineapples, but because we're keto friendly over here, we decided to use the pineapple sriracha. Just as good, it's gonna be delicious. Let's spice this up, add a little green chilies to the mix. Guys, I have some Carb Counter zero carb taco shells. Let's slap some on and toast them up. Ready? Our shells are toasted, our meat is done. Let's dress up these pork belly tacos and I'll be right back. avocado lime crema to top it off. Give this a good try. Let's see if they are worth the hype. Julie West, you have inspired me, guys. If you don't know her, check her out. She's in the Blackstone Griddles recipes and tips. This is absolutely delicious, and thank you for inspiring me. And guess what? It's too good to be keto. I'll see you back next week.